Assalamualaikum friends. Today I'm gonna show you how to set the Samsung Galaxy J2 Prime, which is hanging on logo. So shall we do it? Let's do it. For doing it, what you have to do is
कोई जैसे पीछे बैकग्राउंड तो अच्छा सा है, नीचे वो चूहे की शोर दिख रही है।
As you are seeing it, it's hanging on logo. Okay. It's not booting up perfectly. It's hanged. Okay. So for doing it, what you have to do, just turn off your mobile phone and remove the battery so that it will be turned off. Now, what you have to do is keep pressing the volume up, the home and the power key. So let's do it. And then the power key. Then you will keep pressing it, you will go just into the recovery mode. See, it is installing system update, but after that you will see the no command window. It's a no command window, okay? So for doing it, just press any of the key to go through it. As I am pressing both the volumes and the power key, okay? Both the volumes and power key. So it's going into the recovery mode. After a couple of seconds, it will go into recovery mode. Now what you have to do is that press the volume down key till you go into the wipe data / battery reset. Okay. Now press the power button, then go into yes, wipe volume down key. Okay. Then yes, it will wipe all of the data and including your passcode. Okay. Now just for doing a hang on logo, if a mobile is hanging on logo, so what you have to do, wipe cache partition also, because after wiping it, your hang on logo problem will also be solved. Now wipe data is wiped and also the cache is wiped. Now what you have to do is reboot the phone. तस्वीर उल्टी आ रही है फ्रंट में, सैमसंग उल्टा लिखा आ रहा है, आपकी पूरी तस्वीर आई है इसके अंदर. It will take a couple of minutes and you will see your phone open into the setup menu.
जहांगीर भाई ले गए, जहांगीर भाई पठान.
You can see it's installing applications but in a different language, so you have also to change the language. Okay.
Yeah.
Yo honey finger. It will take a couple of minutes also for installing the application. It is the 14th August of the Pakistan.
Pakistan Zindabad.